if the screen is ever giving you problems, so CarPlay's not connecting, maps are acting up, whatever the case may be, you can also reboot the screen easily. All you're going to do on the steering wheel, you've got a series of different buttons. You're going to push and hold the right seek button and then volume down at the same time. So push and hold this one and then button down. And watch this. There we go. So 10 seconds in, so about 5 or 10 second hold there. And then what it's going to do is it's going to cycle through a reboot in order to reset the screen instead. So rather than doing a factory reset, we're just soft rebooting the screen instead. And what that's going to allow us to do is essentially, it gets rid of any bugs or any issues that might be coming up. So rather than doing a full factory reset, just do that. And again, it's kind of interesting to do it, but you push and hold, again, that right seek button, and then at the same time, button push and hold down, so on volume down. So you're going to kind of see it going wonky there in order to be able to do it and make it happen. But that's how you reboot the screen inside of the Mustang Mach-E.